Welcome to Uncle Tuna Dark Tales. Here, greed has a price, and some treasures are protected by death itself. Turn off the lights and listen carefully because this story is not for the weak hearted. Story The Cursed Treasure of Molinton. Roger and David were sitting in their house reading the newspaper. Roger suddenly spoke. David, have you read this? The article talked about a hidden treasure near Nalina city buried in a forgotten village called Molinton. No one had even stolen it. No one had even returned. David frowned. I have heard about that treasure. Anyone who searches for it disappears. Roger smiled calmly. Our grandfather knew black magic. With his help, we can find it. David hesitated, but greed slowly won. Their grandfather lived in the basement, surrounded by strange symbols. As soon as he heard about the treasure, he said firmly, do not go. That treasure is cursed. But Roger kept insisting. Finally, the old man opened an ancient red book. The book disappeared, answer on its own. After a long silence, he spoke. The treasure lies in Molinton village, near an old well, under a banana tree. 7 snakes guard it. One snake wears a gold ring fused into its head. He continued. To raise the treasure, that ring must be placed near the tree. He paused. And remember, this treasure never lets people leave easily. That night, Molinton village felt wrong. No insects, no birds, no wind. As Roger and David walked toward the old well, their torchlight revealed something strange. Near the wall, behind the banana tree, several human shaped figures stood motionless. They looked like rough statues. David whispered, what are those? Roger squinted. Old idols, maybe village art. They did not look closely. They should have. 7 enormous snakes surrounded the wall. One of them had a dull golden ring embedded in its head, glowing faintly. Roger slowly poured milk. The snake drank. Its head lowered. The ring loosened just for a few seconds. Now Roger disappeared. David stepped forward. The moment he touched the ring, the other 6 snakes attacked. David screamed. Venom burned through his body. Roger grabbed the ring and ran. Roger reached the banana tree and placed the ring near its roots. The ground shook violently. The treasure began to rise. Gold, jewels, and ancient coins. Roger laughed in relief. Then he felt something cold behind him. Breathing, not human, a voice disappeared. You saw them, but you did not understand. Roger turned slowly. The torchlight fell on the human shaped figures near the wall. This time he saw clearly. They were not statues, they had faces, eyes wide open, mouths frozen in screams, skin hardened like stone. One figure looked exactly like David, another looked like someone reaching for a ring. Roger's smile faded. Villagers found Molinton village silent again. No snakes, no treasure. Near the banana tree stood many human shaped bodies, lined like witnesses. Among them were 2 new figures, one holding a gold ring tightly, the other screaming forever. The ring still glowed faintly, waiting. Some people searched for treasure, others became part of it. This was Uncle Tuna Dark Tales. Some places remember everyone who enters. I hope you'll like this story. Thanks everyone.